Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, you are going to learn how to fix your Netvue camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, most of the Netvue cameras connect using the QR code using the Netvue application. So if the camera fails to scan the QR code, the setup will not complete. So first of all, you need to increase the phone's brightness. Afterwards, you need to hold it steady and keep proper distance while scanning. Now, if scanning works fine, but the connection still fails in your case, then you can just simply hop on to our second fix, in which you just have to simply check the Wi-Fi band and encryption. The Netvue cameras work best with the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if your router is using a mixed or 5 gigahertz network, the connection is highly likely to fail. Also, make sure that your network uses the WPA2 encryption and not the advanced security modes. If your network is correct but the camera still won't connect, you can just simply check the signal quality as well. So during pairing, the weak signal can stop the connection process. So you need to place the camera close to the router while setting it up. Once connected, you can then move it to its original location. Now, sometimes the routers block the new devices or limit the connections. So you need to disable the MAC filtering and device limits if it is enabled. Also, you can restart your router in order to refresh the network. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.